What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the reverse light bulbs on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. There's a cover right here. There's two little lock tabs right there. Use both your fingers and pull that little cover off. Now you're going to have to reach your hand in here to access the bulbs and to be able to take them out. So you don't have to take this whole panel out to replace the light bulbs, but we just wanted to show you a clearer view for the video. So this is what the back of the light looks like with it out, but obviously if you're just replacing the bulbs, it's still going to be in the car. The reverse light bulb is down here. Slide that out. And just grab the bulb out of the socket, slide it out. This is a 921 bulb. Just line it back up with the socket, push it back in, line the socket back up with the housing, and lock it in place. Take this cover, line this up in the back, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.